Volvo, yeah. Alright, kiddo, let's have another video from Mike's shed. Ooh, making bits of Volvos and all kinds of other crap. It's Mike's tiny shed of dreams, oh yeah. Mike's shed, this shed, is so tiny. In fact, it's fucking massive. Look at the size of that bastard, fucking right, mate.
Welcome to Mike's Not a Tiny Shed of Dreams. I haven't made a video for a while because I can't be bothered. I've been very busy. Summer's here, so I've been working hard. But I've managed to find a little bit of space to work, which is this little area, you can see. It was empty, but I filled it up. I put benches in here, made some benches, put some lights up, and made some more benches. Made a few more benches, got my welder up here. Put my 240 in here, and I've been doing some work on the body. I'll put some pictures in of how this all started. It escalated quite quickly, so there was a little hole. I'll put a photo of it. There was a little hole in the sill just there in the door jamb. The front of the wheel arch here was rusted, and I'd filled it in a couple of times, and I'd also done a couple of sill repairs down here in the past. So I sort of thought, well, now I've got this place, I need to get on with this and properly repair this side. The other side isn't anything like as bad. I don't know quite how that's happened, but there we go. So yeah, so we've got a lot of work to do, really. This is the most involved bodywork job I've ever done, and for me it's quite a challenging repair. So, and you can see a bit of a 3mm plate I welded in there years ago. I hadn't thought about this. I'm going to actually just cut all that out and remake that whole piece so that it is factory looks like it should, really. Not that you'll see that, but it interferes with the. So I've bought some repair panels from Brookhouse. Yeah, made that bit myself. I think that goes in there somewhere, something like that. Got some inner arch sections. Well, got a whole inner arch. I've chopped it up a bit. So basically, that's going to go in there. I've been learning from the University of YouTube how to do butt and cut repairs. Got to do this bit there, sort of, not the whole thing, just some of that. And got the outer section go on there. So yeah, we're looking at very good channel for panel beating and metalwork repairs. Trev's blog, very talented man. And another guy I've been following is Fitz's Fabrications. Another very talented guy who does very good videos on metalwork repairs and that sort of things. So yeah, I've done some of the work inside already. I've done the floors, done that bit of floor there, which I did my best to do a sort of invisible repair, even though you can't really see it from the underneath. Sort of, I don't think you can really see what I've done there. And the bulkhead, bought myself some Makita stuff, or fake eater. I've done some work on the bulkhead. There was a big hole there, like a rusty hole you could stick your finger in. Same along here. I've done all of that. I could give that a lick of paint actually now. It's probably not the best way to do it, is it? Just decide to do it randomly and then just do it. Oh. This car is never going to win any concourse competitions or anything like that. It's by no means a beautiful car, but it is. It's got a lot of character. It's a hell of a thing actually for what it is. You know, it's been a brilliant car. I've had it a long time now, 10 years, over 10 years, and it's been very good. It's got a B230 FT engine. There we go, not even masked off the engine bay or anything. Brilliant. Nothing quite like preparation, is there? And yeah, B230 FT, M47. It's on its third M47 in my ownership. One of which I bought because I thought the one that was in there was probably on its way out, and I bought one that was probably, on reflection, not as good as the one that I replaced, and that was, I guess, lasted 8 years or something like that. It made a lot of noise. It whined like crazy, especially when it was cold or the weather was cold, and eventually packed up on a hard shift from first to second, and then it wouldn't get any gears apart from fourth. But managed to get it down to the garage to my mate's place, and he swapped the gearbox and put a new heavy duty clutch in it for me. But anyway, Mike's Not So Tiny Shed of Dreams is back in action. So stay tuned for more episodes soon on Mike's Tiny Shed of Dreams.
Alright, kiddo, let's have another video from Mike's shed. Ooh, making bits of Volvos and all kinds of other tat of what he has been doing. It could be this or that. Mike's Tiny Shed of Dreams, it seems it might have grown. What he has been up to is what this film has shown. Mike's shed, this shed ain't so tiny. In fact, it's freaking grand. Looks like it's big enough for at least 2 cars and other things he's planned.